Cooey, if you've ever needed to bulk edit multiple images on all your Shopify variants and then have been doing it one by one, well, this video is going to save you so much time. Cooey, if you're new here, I'm Natalie the Tech Angel and I help women in business and I help make their tech feel calm, feminine, and a little bit more fabulous. Right, let's dive in. Right, as we can see, I am in a client's website. They manufacture and sell glass whiteboards from Halifax. It's really fabulous. You check it out actually. Let's go into one of their products on the front end. So we're just going to go into one of the boards they make. And if we look here, they have loads of variants. So we can have loads of different sizes, loads of different colours. We've also got like different fixings, different upsells, so different types of corners and coatings. So we have so many variants here just with this one product. What we're going to do today is we're going to add an image for blush pink for all of these sizes. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go find this product in the Shopify store. And if we scroll down here, this is where all the variants are. So can you see there are so many sizes? Now I want to add a blush pink picture for all of these variants, and like I do not have time to be opening every single one of these different sizes and adding an image individually. I don't have time for that. You don't have time for that. So the first step is we're going to add the image. So let's go into our content and our files. I'm going to upload a file here. Let's find it. Okay, I found the picture of my blush board. Okay, now we have uploaded it, but we're not going to stop there. We're going to click into it. We are not Hot Mess. We are going to rename this. We are not keeping it as ABC. And we're going to use keywords. So what are the keywords in your shop? What do you want to rank for your product? For me, we are trying to rank for coloured glass whiteboards, but what are you trying to rank for? You might be trying to rank for, it could be handmade soap. It could be rose gold necklace. It could be blonde roasted coffee. Whatever it is, we need to get that information into the name here and the alt text. Okay, and then we're going to save that. Okay, so I'm back in my product. I'm just going to scroll down to where the variants are. And this is how we bulk edit a variant. So I'm just going to click this magnifying glass or search button and I'm going to type in the words. I'm going to type in blush. And I don't know if you can see here, but it has filtered everything to just bring back the one blush variant. Now just click expand all and this will basically show you the blush colour under every single size. And then we're going to click this box here, which basically means select all. And that is selecting just the blush colour here. Then these 3 dilly dots, click those and go to add images. And then we want to find our image, select the image and click done. And voila, you have bulk edited all of these items. And then very importantly on Shopify, the thing we all miss is clicking this save button here because it's quite well hidden because it just looks like it's the top menu, but we need to click save. Right, now let's go and check this on the front end of the website now. So if we go back to our product page, we can see that if we are clicking through the different colours here, we click on that blush pink and yes, it is showing the image we have just uploaded. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully I've saved you a lot of time there. Now I'm going to leave my Shopify affiliate link below. If you like, you can try Shopify for £1 for 3 months and then you can just really get used to the platform before you fully commit. If you have any questions about this or anything else Shopify related, be sure to put them in the comments. I will try my best to reply and help you out, or maybe I'll even make a video solving your problem for you. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe. I do videos every week on things Shopify, Squarespace, all things women in business. That's everything. Stay fabulous. Doodles!